Hello everyone, welcome to our latest hotels review video. In this video, we are at the Taj Palace, New Delhi, which is in diplomatic enclave Chanakyapuri. This is one of the most premium hotels in New Delhi, and you will experience royalty at each and every nook and corner of the hotel. You would find beautiful carpets, to beautiful lightings, to beautiful artworks, antiques, swimming pool, restaurants, lifestyle store, and each and every nook and corner has something luxurious to offer with an unforgettable experience that you would have here for the lifetime. To start with, in the lobby, you will witness the sight of these fresh and beautiful flowers. You will enjoy that, as well as the ceiling of the hotel is beautifully lit with very interesting lights. And then you will find this antique jhula or swing on the right, which is pretty nice, but you can't sit on it because it is antique and maybe delicate as well. And you can just stroll around, and this particular area right in front is where you can sit. I think it is a restaurant. If not that, here is where you sit with your friends, family, business associates, have a meeting, order some delicious snacks or desserts. And through the large glass, you'll be able to see the outside, the sitting area, the restaurant on the right, and the swimming pool and the lawn, and the garden. So yeah, if you want to see some nature, you can see that through the glass. And Capital Kitchen is one of the restaurants of the hotel, which is a great one. And these are some of the photographs of some of the personalities which have visited the hotel in the past, which also gives you some glimpse into the legacy of this great hotel. And the escalator towards the Capital Kitchen is what takes you to the Khajana, which is a chain of luxury lifestyle stores in some of the Taj hotels, and it has a great collection of traditional clothing, jewelry, etc. So yeah, if you are fond of shopping, you can definitely go there. And if you go down further, you will see another banquet hall. So that was nice, and this is the lift area which lets you go down or up wherever you want. And we'll be going for our breakfast now. But before that, if you want to see how the lobby looks like, which is so beautiful, and this is how the Taj Palace looks like from outside. Absolutely gorgeous, massive. And this area towards the left is the Capital Kitchens area, so there is some sitting outside as well. And this is the pool area, and you can see the pigeon flying. So lots of pigeon have placed over here. And just in case you want to do swimming, you can come early. I think it starts from 6 a.m. and they are having their own changing room basically, which is shared with the gym. So you can go there, change, take a steam bath as well over there. There were lockers, you can get those. There will be comb and dryer and towels, so everything is taken care of very beautifully over here. And you can take shower here as well. There was one spot which had the tap, so you can just take a quick shower, or you can just go down towards that the changing area. So the Capital Kitchen, here we are for the morning buffet, and we can see a lot of amazing delicious food that was available for as part of the buffet. The Capital Kitchen restaurant is very beautiful, and the variety of food they had in the buffet was really good. I had all of this, and you can imagine how full my tummy was, but I could eat more and more and more. And that is something which I do typically, because I enjoy and devour the meal. And that is something that you can do as well when you're here. And the collection was really good. I mean, North Indian, South Indian, desserts, collection of juices, and mocktails. Everything was very good. So in desserts, I had ordered waffles, and pancakes were also on offer. There were fruits, there were nuts, so many combinations of cheese as well. So you would just enjoy your breakfast. And right outside the capital kitchen, there are washrooms, and back to the lobby again. And now let's head to the swimming pool area in the night, which looks so good. As you can see now, the bluish tone of the swimming pool is just magical. And you can definitely spend time walking around in the lawn, or you can just sit on the sides where there was a sitting area. It looked really good, as you will see in few seconds. And overall the stay was very comfortable, very good, and you would be refreshed over here. So yeah, you can let us know what are your queries about your potential stay at Taj Palace, New Delhi, and hopefully you will be able to give you more insights about anything that you would like to know. This is the sitting area outside near the lawns. So that is something which I was talking about. In case you want to sit here, you definitely can, and for hours you can enjoy the fresh air, and being outside in the nature is so good and relaxing. And finally, this is us leaving the hotel, and we definitely enjoyed our stay, and hopefully you will too. And let us know in case you are having any questions, and we would be happy to respond back. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.